So continuation of the above problem. The next video, the previous video we have got all the values of C1, C2 and C3 and C4, and from this equation, these are the equations which we have got from the previous class. Now we'll try to find out all the values of A1, A1, A2 we got B, and we need to find out all the values of B1, B2 and C1, C2. A3 and A4 we should get. So taking the advantage of the fact that Ck is equal to Bk minus Ak, or you can write in the form of like this: Ck of xi is equal to Bk of xi minus Ak of xi, where k equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on 4. Okay, now we'll try to find out. Now we'll write this one as C1 equal to B1 minus A1, C2 equal to B2 minus A2, C3 is equal to B3 minus A3, C4 equal to B4 minus A4. Now we need to find all the values. A1 we know, A2 we know, so we will get C1, C2 also we know, we will get B1, B2. So C1 we know, that is minus 1 by 6 xi cube. B1 we don't know, A1 is 0. So B1 is nothing but minus 1 by 6 xi cube. This is B1 what we got. Next, C2 we know, that is xi square by 2, and C2 we know. B2 we need to find out, B2 we don't know, so B2 minus A2 is 0. So therefore this is what? B2 is equal to xi square by 2. We got B2 also we got. Okay, B1, B2 we got. So B1, B2 we got. So we'll use this B1, B2 in this equation. B1 plus B2, B3, B4 equal to 0 now. So if you use this 2, we'll get B3, B4 will get. Then B3, B4 will get an equation. Then here B2 also will apply here in this equation. You will get two equations, and if we simplify those two equations, we will get B3 and B4 value. So I am applying these two values in this. So therefore B1 plus B2. So B1 plus B2 plus B3 plus B4 equal to 0 from here. So therefore B1, B2, B1 is nothing but minus 1 by 6 xi cube. B2 is nothing but plus xi square by 2 plus B3 plus B4 equal to 0. So I will write B3 plus B4 equal to xi square xi cube by 6 minus xi square by 2. I am just taking to that side. Okay, so what you got is B3 B4 equal to xi cube minus, okay, this is what we got. Then from here, from this equation we'll try to substitute B2 here. So if you substitute B2, xi square by 2 plus 2B3 plus 3B4 equal to 0. I'll take this one that side. That implies 2B3, 3B4 equal to minus xi square by 2 I got. So I'll take these two, I'll solve these two equations to get the value. So I'll take directly this one, 2B3 plus 3B4 equal to minus xi square by 2, and I'll take this one, B3 B4 equal to xi cube by 6 minus xi square by 2. Okay, I'll multiply 2. So if I multiply 2, I'll be getting as 2B3, this one 2B3, 3B4 minus xi square by 2. If I multiply this one 2, okay, I'll just write here. Okay, this is 2B3 plus 2B4 is equal to xi cube by 2. If I multiply 3 minus xi square. Okay, this is minus and this is minus and this is plus. These two gets cancelled. Now B4 I'll write here. Okay, now what is that? B4 equal to this is minus, no? So this is minus xi cube by 3. So minus xi cube by 3, then plus xi square minus xi square by 2. Okay, So therefore what I'll get is this one. So this is minus xi cube by 3. This is minus xi cube by 3. B4 I should get, no? So let me check. Okay, minus xi cube by 3 plus xi square by 2. I got like this. Now B4 I know B4, so I may get from this. If I substitute B4 here, I'll get the B3 value. Okay, B1 I know, B2 I know. I'll write here B1 I got as minus 1 by 6 xi cube, and B2 I got xi square by 2. I got the two values. Now I'll substitute this B4 value here. So therefore what will I get? B3 plus B4 value minus xi cube by 3 xi square by 2 is equal to xi cube by 6 minus xi square by 2. Now this is the value which I got. So I'll take this term to that side. Now B3 is equal to xi cube by 6 xi square by 2 minus that becomes plus xi cube by 3 minus xi square by 2. Okay, then so therefore this is xi cube by 6 and xi cube by 3. So this is 3 xi cube by 6 means xi cube by 2. If you simplify these two, I'll get xi cube by 2, and this is xi square. Xi square by 2, xi square by 2. You'll get xi square. This is xi cube by 2. Now B3 I know, B4 I know. I got B3, B4. So B3 I know, B1 I know, B2 I know, B3 I know, B4 I know. So then we'll go for A3, A4 values. After getting these two values, we'll try to find out A3. So from that C3 I'll take C3 is equal to B3 minus A3 because of the previous equation. What is C3? C3 is minus xi by 2. B3 I got here, no? That is xi cube by 2 minus xi square minus A3. So what I'll take these all terms to this side, minus xi by 2 minus xi cube by 2 plus xi square equal to minus A3. If I apply minus, so that implies A3 is equal to, so this is xi by 2 xi cube by 2 minus xi square. A3 I got. So next C4 equal to B4 minus A4. C4 I know 1 by 6. B4 I got from here. B4, this is B4, that is minus xi cube by 3 plus xi square by 2 minus A4. Okay, I'll take all the terms to this side. So that becomes in the form of like this. This is 1 by 6 plus xi cube by 3 minus xi square by 2 minus A4. If I apply minus, so this becomes minus, this becomes this becomes minus, and this becomes minus, and this becomes plus. If I apply here, that becomes as a plus and then become minus. So if I apply minus, this all term will change. Otherwise you take this like this. You take A4 here and write minus xi cube by 3 plus xi square by 2 minus 1 by 6. This is A4. A4 you got, A3 you got, B3 you got, B4 you got, B1, B2 you got, A1, A2 you got. You take all such values and write in the equation number 3 and equation number 4. That gives the Green's function. Now what I got, all the values I'll just write and we'll substitute in that. So now A1 is 0, A2 is 0, A3 is equal to what I got is A3 as let me take from this. A3 as like this. A3 value which I got, A3 as xi cube by 2 minus xi square plus xi by 2. This is A3, and the A4 also I got in the form of like this. Xi square by 2, xi cube by 3 minus 1 by 6. A4. That is what we got. Okay. A3 I got, A4 I got, and B1. B1 is minus 1 by 6 xi cube. B2 is xi square by 2. B3 is xi cube by 2 minus xi square. B4 is B4. So B4 I got like this, xi square by 2 minus xi cube by 3. Now we'll try to put all those values. These are all values to get the Green's function. Putting all the values of coefficients, A1, A2 and so on, A4, and B1, B2 and so on, B4 in equation 3 and 4, we obtain the desired Green's function. You then desired Green's function. So that is g of x comma xi equal to, since a1 a2 is 0, so you will be getting as a3 is nothing but xi cube by 2 minus xi square plus xi by 2 into x a1 plus a2x a3x square, so you will get x square plus a4 is xi square by 2 xi cube by 3 minus 1 by 6 x cube under x greater than 0 less than or equal to xi. This is the condition. Next, b1 plus b2x plus b3x square plus b4x cube. So b1 is minus 1 by 6 xi cube plus b2x xi square by 2x plus b3x square, b3 minus xi square into x square. Next, b4 is xi square by 2 minus xi cube by 3 into x cube under x greater than or equal to xi less than or equal to 1. So this also can be written as, therefore we can write g of x comma xi can also written as g of xi comma x because it is symmetric. So this is the Green's function after finding all the values of a1, a2 and a3 and a4 and b1, b2, b3 and b4. This is how we can construct the Green's function. G of x comma xi is nothing but equal to g of xi comma x. So it is a huge problem and it carries 12 marks. So you must try to find out the Green's function only for the differential equation which we get a trivial solution, means y of x is nothing but equal to 0. For that only we can construct the Green's function. If phi of x is not equal to 0, then we cannot construct the Green's function. This is how we have completed. We will see the next problem so that you understand more. Thank you.